Hello students, these are the next 4 exercises from chapter number 36, Business Phrases. Let's start with exercise number 188 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Start. Dear Sir, in reply to your favor of the 16th instant, we regret that we cannot undertake the responsibility of adopting your suggestions with regard to the machine. We are willing to execute the repairs to the best of our ability and on the lowest terms possible, but as we stated in our last letter, the methods you propose would be attended with great risk to the rider. If you decide to leave the matter to us, you might inform us by return of post, and we will put the work in hand at once so as to be able to dispatch the machine by goods train on Saturday. We need hardly say that we pay the best price for all the materials we use, and we guarantee them to be of the best quality obtainable. Referring to your letter of the 9th instant, we have done our best to induce the carriers to quote special rates for the goods consigned to you, but they decline to make any reduction on the ordinary rates unless the traffic is considerably increased. With reference to our statement of account for last quarter, we beg to call attention to the fact that the balance due has not yet been received, and we will thank you for a check or a postal order for the amount at your earliest convenience. We shall give early consideration to your inquiries for the special tandem and will forward the specification desired as soon as convenient. Yours faithfully. Next is exercise number 189 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Birade, start. Dear Sir, I am in receipt of your letter of the 24th, and I regret to state that I am unable to give you the information you require. I can assure you I should be pleased to do so if it were possible. I am surprised to hear from you that the funds of your society are in such a bad way. I regard the objects of the society as most praiseworthy, and I cannot understand how it is that public support should be withheld. I enclose check for £10 as a subscription and shall be glad to give the same amount next year. I am much obliged to you for the copy of the report. Yours faithfully. Next is exercise number 190 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Bid a day. Start. Dear Sir, I brought your letter before the Board of Directors at their meeting yesterday, but after some discussion, they were obliged to postpone further consideration of the matter until the next directors' meeting, which will be held on the last Tuesday afternoon of this month. I think the directors would be glad if you would kindly set forth your proposals more fully than is done in your letter. The first cost of the material is very low, but the question of the additional cost of preparing it for sale and the additional expense which will probably be incurred in advertising it is sure to be taken into consideration by the directors, and if they had your estimate of what the total expenditure is likely to amount to, it would no doubt help them in coming to a decision. If you will make an appointment for some day next week, I shall be glad to see you, and it is just possible that I may be able to give you some further particulars. Meanwhile, I have the pleasure to enclose copy of the director's report published last month. Yours faithfully. Next is exercise number 191 on the speed of 70 words per minute. Bid a day. Start. Dear Sirs, in reply to your letter of yesterday, we beg to state that the bill of lading and the bill of exchange were forwarded to you by first post on Tuesday morning last in registered letter addressed as usual, and we are surprised that they have not reached you. We will make inquiries here, and in the meantime, if you receive the letter, kindly inform us by wire at once. Referring to our letter of the 27th ultimo, and your reply to same. We have written the works, pressing them to give early attention to the matter and to make the necessary arrangements for forwarding the goods to the finishers as soon as ready. We have instructed the latter to give the material the best finish, and we have no doubt they will do so. We have also mentioned your complaint as to the finish of the last consignment, and we are assured that special care will be taken to prevent a repetition of the mistake in the future. Yours faithfully. So these are the next 4 exercises from chapter number 36 business phrases. आप लोगों को कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, कुछ भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.